Delete registry on uninstalled software. Guys, this is one of the common mistakes a lot of Windows users ignore, and it affects how your system performs. For example, you have a software on your device and you've uninstalled that software. Don't you believe that there is a particular product or service called registry that is stored right away on your device, and this will also impact the next version of the software you're going to install negatively if not properly managed? That is what we're going to look at in this video, and it's called delete old registry entry on Windows PC. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you can navigate yourself to the registry part of your system, which is very simple. Combine Windows plus R, that is Windows key plus R key, to bridge to this interface. Then inside the interface, type in Regedit. Then click on the enter button and tap yes when it comes out. So once you tap on it, you have something like this. What you're going to do now is to take a look at what I want to explain in this video from here. So for example, I have removed Mozilla from my device. No Mozilla on my device again, but before it was there, I just uninstalled that apps on my device. Now that you come to this place, you can either see it on the HKey local machine, HKey users, or HKey current users, depending on whatever location it's been identified, or whatever location it's been recognized on your device. But my own is on HKey local machine. So expand HKey local machine, then go to software. If you go to software now, you can see that I have Mozilla and Mozilla plugin here. I have uninstalled Mozilla and I have uninstalled Mozilla plugin. Now if you open Mozilla and you see that we have what is called native messaging host here, if you click on it, nothing is here. Then this tells you that this particular file is clean and perfect. Now let's take a look at what is under Mozilla plugin, which is a version of the Mozilla installed on my device. Now once you click on that button, you have this one that says Microsoft.com SharePoint function. If you click on it, you have all this here. Now what do you need to do here? It's very important. Now that I've done that, the first thing you have to do here before you take any action on your device, if you are not sure of what to do, is to back up your device, and doing so is very simple. So come to this place where you see file, click on exports, then write a name, let's say backup Mozilla Reg, something like this. Then click on save button. That file will be backed up on your device. So in case you try to remove one or two things here and it's not working, then you can restore by importing it. Then you come to the file option here, click on import. From here you have the backup. You can see here, guys, just click on it, open it, and it's going to restore it. Now that I've done that, you come back to this place, take a look at the version, the defaults, the description, the path, then product name, vendor, and version. So maybe the version you are installing is version 16 point something, but it's not working. Now all I have to do is to click on this version and click on this delete button. That will take it from that particular registry. Or you come over to the entire folder here, right click on it, then you click on delete, then this will delete this version from your device. So when else you are going to install the new version, you're going to do it as is as anything. But you've tried the HK on your device and software is not included or not located, then try see what is current user machine as well. You should be able to see software, you can see. And if it is not here, you can see there are some software that is under my current user machine here. If you not see them, try the next one, which is HK user. You should be able to see software here, or any of these HK current user, you should be able to see software here. Then you can now identify whatever apps or whatever software you want to delete. But before you do anything, make sure that you back up your registry in case anything happens, so you'll be able to restore it to the previous version that was working perfectly. That's all, guys, on how you can delete registry on uninstalled software or old registry entries on your device. So if you enjoyed what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. See you soon, guys, on our next video.